Okay, so I'm going to do a very quick intro on this because this is an engine room one. You won't hear what I'm saying, but you'll see a very visual, obvious problem with the water intake strainer. As the powerboat gets faster and faster, the water is getting forced in through the strainer hull skin fitting, and then you'll start to see the problem with the sealing rubber that has perished. It's really important to regularly check these things, especially when you're underway. They look perfectly all right when the boat's static, but as soon as you take it on a sea trial, you'll be quite shocked at how often these fail. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. Okay, off you go.